We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Soft ice cream is a sign that your freezer is not set cold enough, or it is not freezing properly. I assume you checked the setting, so it is likely not working properly. Check underneath to see if the coil is full of dust. This is a common issue. Most have a coil underneath, and it can be vacuumed.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.